Morning, guys. This is Steve, Mr. Good Tools, and if you haven't subscribed, go down here to the right and see the red button. Subscribe. Thanks. Today I have a couple of things I want to discuss. Number one is what do you call a cow with two legs? Lean beef. And what do you call a cow with no legs? You call them ground beef. What do you call a dog with no legs? In a minute I'm going to show you the job we did yesterday. So stay tuned, and then I'll let you know later what they call a dog with no legs. So, Mr. Good Tools here, and I want to show you a little job that I took care of today. It was a tile repair. Ripped out a couple of tiles, put them all back down, and we had fun doing it. So let me show you what happened here. All right, hello everybody. This is Steve, Mr. Good Tools, and we've got a little tile repair here to do. This tile's not sitting flat, so what we want to do is get it out of here and fix it. And so that's what we're going to do here. First off, what we're going to do is get the grout out of here. It's fairly new tile set, so it's not quite that hard yet. We're hoping we can get the old one out, or this one out, without breaking it. If we can, great. If we can't, I think we've got some extra in the shower there. As you can hear, we've got some help. Okay, so we got two tiles that we had to rip out. This one here and this one here. And now we've got a couple of new ones to put in there. That interface was bad enough that we had to, well, I couldn't get that tile out. Also, the reason that this happened was because the underlayment was flexible. And so you put tile on something that's flexible, it doesn't work really well. Because then it starts cracking the grout, and then you got a real problem. So we're ready to put the new tiles back in, and we'll do that. Okay, so we've got our new tile in. We went ahead and mortared it. We went ahead and grouted it. We didn't mix up very much. We just put it in a little red cup here, one of these 12-ounce cups. Maybe they're 16-ounce, I don't know. If they're full up here, they're whatever you want to put in there, I guess. Anyway, we mixed that up. Put it all down, mashed it all into the cracks, made sure it was nice and deep because we don't want it to move this time. And there you go, we replaced this one right here and this one right here, and I think that's a good job done. Okay guys, that about wraps it up today. One thing I wanted to mention, if you haven't subscribed yet, go down here to my left, your right, and hit that blue button on the screen or the red button under the screen and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. And then what you've all been waiting for is the answer to the question, which is, what do you call a dog with no legs? Nothing. He's not gonna come anyway. See you later, guys. I gotta go get a Band-Aid.